All right. Hey, what's up, everyone? So today I am working on my Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro series. I have the 42-inch deck, that model number there. So if you guys have the same model number, that's what we're talking about. But I am going to be replacing my hydrostatic fan on the transmission here. Just one day it just busted off and I haven't seen it since, and I've been trying to do some research online to find out how to do this. And I bought a new one, and upon looking at the new one here, you can see that let me take it out the bag here real quick. So you can see that there's nothing that like you're supposed to screw on or anything like that. So it looks like you just push this on. It just, it grabs by all these teeth. So I think that is in fact the case, because on this guy, you can see that there's nothing else that's keeping the fan on. Okay, so this is always a good reason or a good reminder as to why you should always have a light when you do this. So as you can see here, there is a little pin. Oops. A little pin right here, and I think I need to take that pin off in order to pull it out. Forget what well, it's not a pin, it's a washer, but that type of washer is called. Pretty sure I have the tool to get that off. Now, I'm smart enough to buy a replacement one of those if I didn't have it, or if I busted it, because I've never done this before. So, as you can see too, and this is why sometimes it's a good thing. And actually you could take these out. I didn't even know you could do it. You just pull them out this way, and they come off via like some light pressure. So set that over here. As you can see, I'm collecting all my tools and whatnot. But as you can see there, I got a whole bunch of grass stuck in there. So I'm sure that does not help my my transmission. So I'm gonna try to blow all that too. So I'm gonna go get the wrench to remove this. Not the wrench, yeah, the pliers. I keep calling them wrenches. I'm gonna go get the pliers to remove that. Then I think I'll be able to pull it up, because I think that's locking it in there. All right, good news. So this guy just came right out. Once I used my channel locks here that my amazing wife bought, because she ran into this problem before, this guy just popped him right off, no problems. And then this guy just came right up, no problems. I see I got like this, I think it just melted, honestly, because that's clean. All that right there is like really clean, but look at this. This is crazy. It just, let's see if I can get like a good, it just moves up and down, no problem. So we're gonna go ahead and put this guy on there now. Well, I'm gonna clean that off real quick, but it just started to rain. I don't know how that's supposed to go on. I'm wondering if it goes down like this. I don't think it does, because it has to fit. It has to fit under this thing. Definitely goes on it like this. 100% it goes on it like that. Yeah, there we go. And I just gotta push down real hard on it. Yeah, okay. Beautiful. All right, I will do that. So I'm gonna go get like a couple of paper towels. I'm gonna get that cleaned up, and I'm also gonna get my air compressor and blow all this out. All right, so I went ahead and just took off the pulley here. It was pretty simple. I just lifted it up. As you can see, got my air compressor and just blew all that out, and it looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna put everything back. It's pretty easy to take off the transmission belt and just pull it off. So yeah, put all this back and get her going. Okay, got the new fan installed. It's good to go. Let's fire up, put the battery back on, and see if we could turn her on and see how well she does. So I didn't get any film of the fan spinning. It was too hard to get my phone in that area of the lawnmower, and also I didn't realize that that fan doesn't kick on until the transmission hits a certain temperature. But I did mow a little bit on my property, and the fan did not fall off, nor did it shred, so I'm gonna say it was successful.